Here is a i2c LCD1602 controlled by W806 board. I modify example from W806 board in Arduino IDE, but it's not easy to control a simple display as Arduino classical or ESP8266 or ESP32, but now I'll reset. I create a generic, displays power dot 3.3 volts, usually is at 5 volts, but I'm new with W806 board, so I choose to try some example or connect as I can, and then I modify sketch and or connection. Now counter is from 0 to 99. Again, is not easy. Even I have an example for LCD1602, but finally I solved somehow. That's it for the moment.